What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean a shower screen properly. And the reason why I say properly is because I come across so many different shower screens where people have attempted to clean it and they basically leave it looking worse than what it originally did. The reason for that is they try and be creative. People like to try and add all different chemicals and create their own little mixture. They put vinegar in there, they might put dishwashing detergent in there, they might put lime in there or lemon juice or baking soda or a whole bunch, even toothpaste, WD-40. I've seen some really strange things that people try and clean their shower screens with. One of those ingredients was actually correct, what I like to use anyway, and I'm about to show you guys the easiest way to do this. What we're going to be using is a squeegee. Basic squeegee. On the back here we've got a little foam section and also some bristles, so that's going to help remove some of that build up if there is anything on the shower screen. We've got our spray bottle, clean rags, and in this spray bottle here the only thing you need to put in there: water, a bit of cleaning vinegar, and also something to get rid of the smell of vinegar. Now the smell of vinegar isn't very pleasant, so whether you put some sort of scent through there, or sometimes I like to put eucalyptus oil or anything scented just to get rid of that vinegar edge out of that smell. And that's basically it, guys. The reason why I use this, and I use it absolutely everywhere around the house: number one, it's cheap. Number two, it's got awesome cleaning power. Number three, streak-free finish every single time. Whether you're cleaning your bathroom, your shower screen, your mirror, your kitchen, anything around the house, this is the way to go. Water, vinegar, and just something to get rid of the smell of the vinegar. Let's get straight into it, guys, and I'll show you how to do this. So let's have a look at exactly how this one here is looking. You can see all those markings all the way through it. People initially might think this is all soap scum and a build-up of some stuff over time through using the shower. It's not actually the case. Like I said, it's just simply a really poor job at trying to clean this. And if you have a look here, you can see some markings going sideways, so we know definitely they did try and clean this. They just didn't do a very good job. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So like I said, spray bottle, apply it all the way around. And we're going to let this sit for just a couple seconds. Just let it soak into the area a bit. Same thing on the inside. Now you'll find most of the build-up or the mess will be on the inside. So let the inside sit for a little bit longer. So now we've got the inside and outside sprayed, we can start off on the outside. Now, pretty straightforward, guys. Just work it all the way around. If you do happen to feel any kind of grit through the squeegee, or you do see something, put a little bit more elbow grease. And that's it, guys. This one here is ready to go. We're going to squeegee this here off. A lot of different methods in terms of squeegeeing, but I personally prefer just to one end, move it about a foot away from the other side, even half of that, and then just run down the back side, clean that one there all off. Now we can take our rag. If there is any excess water or vinegar or whatever you're using, just simply wipe that off. Even though it's going to give us a streak-free finish, we don't want it to sit there for a long period of time. Once again, bit of a tight area here. This one here will just run it all the way down because of tight access. Same thing all the way around. Now, like I said, I know it seems like it's something so easy and straightforward. You don't need to have a video on how to do it, but unfortunately I come across, actually it's pretty fortunate, I come across so many shower screens that have been poorly done, and to be honest, I get paid to redo them. So if I'm already here doing other work, I'll take it on. Doesn't take very long. All you need to do is use the right method. So outside is all done. We'll move over to the inside now. Now, because we started on the outside, outside's nice and clean. Anything that you see on the glass should be from the inside now. Once again, same thing. Now you can hear, or I can feel as well, it's a little bit more coarse down here. So this area here, we'll just work it a little bit more compared to the other areas and do the exact same thing. Over to the edge. And all the way back down. Now we will go back over this just to quickly check, make sure we haven't missed any areas. You can see here there's one little mark right there and one over here. So we're going to get that in a second, but we just want to clean the bulk off first. Once again, you can hear that texture change. That's where this comes in handy. So the bristles, the foam, it's going to help you really get rid of that mess. In case there is anything that this doesn't remove, what you can do is use a scraper. Now I've shown you guys in the past, basic little razor. Open that one there up. This one is a little bit dirty, but basically put it flat up against the glass and you can remove any heavy duty mess that's left behind. So awesome little trick in case there is somewhere that you can't remove it by using a squeegee. Once again, all the way around the edge. And now lucky last shower screen door. Now this one here, I'll leave it open because if I try to close it and I try and put a bit of pressure on that, the door wants to open up. So I generally tend to open it. Feels nice and clean. Close that one there up. Now at this point, clean off the edge. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly wipe over the middle. That way you can see everything that's left behind. Like I said, this leaves a streak-free finish. So once this is dry, it's going to be 100% perfect. Not going to be any mess left behind. What we're looking for now is any areas that haven't cleaned up properly. Now here is perfect. We'll go back to this side here. I think there was a little section somewhere around here. There's one there. So that's basically all we're going to do. That's all it needs now. Using the rag, because it's got a bit of grit to it, we can wipe that all nice and clean. Anywhere else that we might have left something behind. Once that's done, we can take our nice dry rag and just wipe that all down. Do the same thing on the outside. Now you can take this rag, wipe over any of that chrome, Make sure it's all nice and polished. Now I'm going to let this one here just dry up. You can see there's some areas that are still a little bit wet. So we'll let this one here dry off and then I'll show you guys the finish once everything's nice and dry. And once that's done, guys, this is the finished product. So as you can tell, we can even see the reflection of the toilet here over onto the shower screen. Perfect finish, as you can see right there. That is exactly what we're after, and that's what you're going to get when you use a basic mixture of water, vinegar, and just something to get rid of the smell. That's all you need. You're going to get a streak-free finish every single time, guys. I even use it on the floor because once this is dry, it'll be streak-free once again and perfectly nice, clean floors, windows, mirrors, bathroom, shower, anything around the house, guys. That is the perfect mixture. Now I've held on to this for a while and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video and you can get out there and give it a go yourself. Now, as always, guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.